Hey guys, Becki-licious here. Today we are making a lunch that's got my taste buds dancing, and I cannot wait to show you how to make it. All right, today we are making a sweet chili chicken slider. You know I am a sucker for a good lunch and especially a slider, so I'm going to show you how to make these. They're amazing. I've already got my chicken thighs all cut up into smaller pieces because these are going to go on my slider buns. So let's get them dredged in our flour. And then we're going to throw them over into the egg mixture. We're going to go over into our panko breadcrumbs. I've added a little bit of my kickin' chicken into that, of course. And then we're going straight into the oil. So we're going to get these all fried up nice and golden brown. All right, let's get these flipped over. Look at how yummy these look. And drain a little bit. The chicken is all cooked, and now we're going to make the coleslaw that's also going to go on this amazing sandwich. So we're going to make our sauce for it first. I've got some lime juice, a little bit of vegetable oil, and some sweet chili Thai sauce. Ooh, this is the yummy stuff right here. Try to get all that yumminess in there. All right, I'm just going to get this all whisked up, drizzle this all into our coleslaw, and get it all mixed up. And then we're going to be ready to start building some yummy sandwiches. It's time to build these sweet chili chicken sliders. Oh, I cannot wait to have a bite because theirs are so good. But before we do that, don't forget to like and subscribe, share with your friends, and click on the link me for some other fun stuff. All right. First step is we've got mayonnaise that we're going to put on the bottom of each one of our little Hawaiian rolls. Now it's time for the chicken. So we're going to put each one of these on the bottom piece. Oof. Yeah, these are going to be absolutely amazing. We're coming to the favorite part right here. Talk about dancing flavors in my mouth. This is it. This is that yummy sweet chili sauce. So we're going to drizzle this all over our chicken. And very last, we're going to pile on this yummy coleslaw. This is where it's going to get messy. That's okay. I am so ready to plate up. It is time for lunch, and I am so excited. Look at how phenomenal this looks. That sweet chili sauce just oozing out the sides, that yummy crunchy coleslaw. I even found the Doritos sweet chili spice ones. Oh, yeah. So there you go. Let's try a bite. Cheers. So there you go. Was I lying? That was a flavor explosion in my mouth, and I cannot wait to finish my lunch. So I hope you guys enjoyed yourselves today, because I know I did. And I look forward to seeing you next time, okay? Bye.